So, another video. For this one, I will be sharpening my kiritsuke bunka from Musashi. I will be using my green brick of joy, the Naniwa Aotoshi, to set the edge and set the bevel, and I will be finishing off with the Naniwa Jinpaku, the snow white. And yeah, so I won't be soaking any of the stones, and that's because I think they work well without soaking. They could do with soaking. I think at least the snow white would probably like 5 or so minutes of soaking time. The thing is, I've read a bit online about people having issues with their snow whites cracking or forming micro fractures, and I'm trying to avoid that as much as possible. So for now, I'm trying not to soak it and dry it too much. So yeah. So let's see where we're at with the edge on the kiritsuke. Yeah, that's a bad edge. I hope you can see that. And we will start by splashing some water on the Aotoshi. See, it dries out a little bit on the edges, but that looks fine. I will be working up a little bit of slurry just to get us going. I will use my rust eraser to do that. And it's just going to help with removing some material. It is a 2000 grit stone, so I want it to work a little bit faster since we got the bad edge on there. And some fragments from the rusty eraser, I can feel them. You can hear them. Might as well. Yeah, that's better. So the green brick, you can see why they call it a brick. And, it's a joy to use it, as the name would suggest. It's not the official name though, it's more like a nickname. But if you Google it, you will find that it's a nickname that's stuck. So we are getting there already. Got some metal getting stuck in the stone, but it's still cutting. It is a soft stone, so gotta be a little bit careful, especially when going edge leading strokes. I'm applying pressure on the edge trailing stroke, and I'm just letting the knife glide on the way back. But still, if you're not too careful with the angles, you will dig into the stone and you'll have to start again and you will damage your stone. So I'm trying to avoid that as much as possible. A couple of more passes each way. We're getting there. There's a very, very small burr at the moment. careful. There's the burr. I'm not happy with the tip, so I'm just going to work that a little bit. I do believe we have a small burr there now. It's hard to feel it. Do a gonna try there. Just gonna wipe up the knife, and we'll try with a newspaper. That's better. That's kind of where we want to be. We could refine the edge a little bit by going a few edge leading strokes on the stone. But I'd rather just leave it there. I'd rather just go straight for the Snow White now, because the Snow White is a very fast 8000 grit stone. We'll see how it performs on the carbon steel knife. It is drawing in some moisture. Do a couple of passes on each side just to polish the edge. I really like this stone. It feels really smooth to work on, but it still removes a lot of material. It's a fast 8000 stone. Leaves a decent finish as well. It's just silky smooth. Last pass on that side. Now we're just gonna carefully make sure the cutting edge is uniform. Sure we move that burr around a little bit, back and forth, to make sure we have it in the right place. A few alternating strokes now. And we just pinch off the remaining burr if there is one. Wipe off the knife and let's see what we have. Cut test. Yes. That is good, especially coming straight off the stone, no stropping at all. Try just for fun, do a couple of strokes on the old leather strop. Like that. And let's see. What that'll do. Yeah. And I would almost call that a mirror polish. Could probably work a little bit more on it, but for general purpose use, this is now a sharp knife. So if you're still watching, thank you for watching, and if you want to see more, let me know, and leave a like, subscribe if you want, and comment. I'd like to hear from you.